Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to a new video on Bitcoin Cash, which I actually haven't covered for quite some time. And excuse me, but all sorts of alerts are going off for trades that are possible. So I'll check them out after this video. Because in this video, we will talk about Bitcoin Cash or BCH, but I'll probably call it, I'll use those names interchangeably. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about why it's bullish like this. And apart from that, we will also go over what's expected from here. So the technicals. All right, that's what we'll do. I'll try to keep the video a little bit short. Most of my videos today were a little bit long, or at least longer than I would have wanted to. We'll talk a little bit about Bitcoin because we have to, and I'll explain to you why. But that's all right? So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. But you also gain access to my trading guides to actually learn how to analyze and trade for yourself. And you gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders. Very valuable for if you want to become a better and profitable trader. If you'd like to check that out, links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment. But for now, on to BCH. So the main reason why we also have to take into account Bitcoin is because BCH is just very correlated with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very bullish, was very bullish because of the grayscale news and also because of some positive economic news. And then what you see is that cryptos like Stacks, Bitcoin Cash, BSV, which are all very related to Bitcoin, they rally the most. All right, so that is what's going on. Bitcoin Cash historically is also very, very manipulated. Like the volume right now is very high. And you can also see that most of the volume is coming from manipulated exchanges. Doesn't matter though. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Now that we know that, we also have to acknowledge that Bitcoin at this point in time, even though it was very bullish yesterday, is still kind of stuck in the middle. Because we broke above this level. The most important level is 27,500. And we broke above that yesterday, but now we've actually broken down below that. So we're going to have to see whether Bitcoin is kind of stuck in this little box right here. And we're going to have to see which one of those levels is going to break, all right? And that's going to also going to matter for Bitcoin Cash. If we look at Bitcoin Cash specifically though, what we'll see is that right now it's getting some bearish momentum. Like it also got a bearish breakout through 220, which is historically a minor support level right here. Voila. So it broke down below that, or depending on how you see it, it just found resistance there. And now it also broke down below the 236 fib. So it looks quite likely that BCH will drop down to its most important support level, which is around 210. With the 382 fib and the 200 EMA. So that's what I expect. I expect BCH to drop down to that level at 215 and 210. I expect to find support there, but from that support, Bitcoin Cash would need to break above $220 to really continue its bullish momentum up to 236, and 244. All right, so that's the main thing to watch. Can Bitcoin Cash actually from that 210 level break above 220? The answer is probably yes if Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout above 27,600. The question is probably no if Bitcoin breaks down below 27,300. So that's why you have to kind of look at Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, well, normally interchangeably, because if Bitcoin Cash is not able to break above 220, 210 is not going to hold up forever. And then at some point of time, it will drop back down to 200. And then from there, it's bearish again. And we'll see moves down to 190 probably afterwards. So yeah, I think that's everything you need to know. That's at least my full analysis on Bitcoin Cash for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.